Hey guys, Yorfan from Online Hustle Pro is here again. Maybe you just stumble on this channel for the first time. Kindly click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you will be getting notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Step 1 is to visit. You can discover various videos and earning free PayPal currency 2023 at most watching YouTube videos. Please any of these videos by clicking on it once you start the video exactly how I want. Ensure that you watch at least 30 seconds at the very least of the video that you might get paid $5 for each YouTube videos that you watch are all real payment evidence from customers worldwide the globe for all of their videos seen. If you only watch one YouTube video, you get $5 for watching 10 movies. With movies, you can make $50 and once you view 30 videos a day, can generate up to $150 per hour. The good news is that you can simply repeat this as much as you like. Keeping all you need to make money is a mobile device. First, use a phone or a computer to perform this. I just need you to click sign in top right corner button, and it will now direct you to this page. Don't already have a YouTube account. Creating an account only requires clicking on create an account and make my own decisions. Moreover, you may literally sign up and make a free Google account. Moment you sign into your account on YouTube account is something you'll have. You can see on the left side that from there, view YouTube's greatest content. You can find the best videos on YouTube. More money than others by minute. I'll demonstrate to you how you can be used to generate a lot of free income. The best YouTube videos are those of this type. The good news is that you can say it again once more for numerous YouTube channels on this category of videos. In order to make these YouTube videos into real for money, we must proceed to the second site that will enable us to make money for free. As you can see, folks are using PayPal. Gaining $5 by viewing videos repeatedly. Employing this approach on this website gives you the chance to cut the links to the Earls and be paid. You may trust them with your PayPal money. We'll make things really simple for you. Actually much simpler as you might imagine, and hardly many individuals are conversing about this tactic at this time. And you can earn a lot of money using PayPal for free if you complete this video. It will be 2023. The full name of this website is 7r6.com. Therefore, this idea is really simple. All you have to do is register for a free 7r6.com account, and then you must cut it down from their various URL links to YouTube videos. I'll demonstrate each step in detail. You can finish making it in under a minute. Every video offers free PayPal money. Of what happens exactly if you're watching these YouTube movies. Following this one, the share button is located right here. By clicking this share button, you discover the YouTube URL link for this specific gaming clip, and from I want you to select the copy there. This button will copy this as link YouTube video, after which everything is done is to return to this page at 7r6.com and enter the link there. As of right now you can see that I just added the link here. The YouTube video in. Click this tiny button to visit this website. Instantly assist you in cutting this lengthy YouTube video into a new one. Now a special link whenever individuals will. If you click on this exclusive link, that's exactly how all of us work to get paid. These guys are profiting greatly from this. The webpage 7r6.com. As soon as you have money, you're being able to transfer your money into your ideal PayPal account. Bitcoin, web money, cash and payer. There are many methods of payment, so that the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go back to the home page. To sign up, you should click the icon on the website's upper right corner and you will be brought to this from there. Website where you can create a new account membership. And this is 100 once more. I want free and available today worldwide. You should provide your login and email address, make a password and verify this section of the privacy and terms box policy before selecting the register once you've signed up for a new account. And this is what happens when you log in. This is how your dashboard will appear. I want you to click this button on this page. On the newly added upper left corner, reduce link, click here and there will duplicate and paste our links to YouTube that we can shorten and acquire free PayPal funds. So all I'm asking you to do right now is simply return to your YouTube video and click copy this link after clicking the share button. After which return to your dashboard and copy and paste that link into this box. And I want you to type an alias under that. The video's title is Minecraft. And I ask that you simply click that as your button that is shortened. Link to Minecraft reduced. Please return to YouTube. And carry on in the same manner for up to 3 unique videos and more. YouTube, you copy the Earls for videos and shorten them, the more free individuals you give money to. This is the following supplementary advice, so that I wanted to let you know that I wanted you to concentrate on this specific category merely because doing so will aid in making a lot of individuals get money for free utilizing it. Ask you to pay close attention to live just now. Our video streamed. Let's move on. I ask that you play this video that will transport you to another life. We're moving on to streaming video. From there, click the to repeat the same method by using the click the share icon, then select copy to take it, then navigate to your URL, shortening, insert the second URL link into the page, the box, and then we'll just place and then click Minecraft 2 in the alias box. It is the second link we have on shorten. Successfully condensed. Recall my name was instructed to repeat the same tactic. Making a lot of money online requires you to discover various YouTube trends. Simply copy the link and shorten it after that. Through the aid of 7r6.com. Next, I want to do the fourth step. You to visit the website Steam Community.com. But first, let's stop. Additionally, if you too find this enjoyable, then click like and comment below the name of your nation. Please, I can produce more. Get online revenue videos from for you and others to watch your nation, as well as a note below the what games do you currently frequently play? This is a game platform or website. A forum where many people can discuss regarding various game playing tactics. Various games currently available on there are a lot of Minecraft games. Many conversations many individuals are conversing here regarding this game, which is popular currently, and they are receiving millions with daily views in the millions. Therefore, this will be your toughest challenge. A chance to seize this trend with the aid of 7r6.com and generate a ton of all of these offer free PayPal money. Videos on YouTube are essentially what you is that you can register for a free Steam community account, then create a post on any topic, like as more popular games, and submit your shorter link to the 7r6.com that post in the Steam community. From there, you'll be receiving many clicks from numerous users. They viewed your link, click it, then view the YouTube video, then for each with just one click, you can earn a lot. Much free money, and from just one person by watching videos, you might earn hundreds, and for those among you, thousands of dollars. Whoever is still watching, folks, I want to provide you with a beneficial benefit, you to earn 3 times as much money as others are aware that this will remain a secret web page that I have never disclosed to anyone, but at this time, I'd like to share the anonymous website that is Moot Us. In essence, this is a unique forum where you might discover several persons talking concerning the video game Minecraft. There are many people submitting various photos and many game related videos. Essentially, they're receiving hundreds now from all of these, hundreds of views Minecraft gaming videos. And since you finished watching the entire video, I want to share this up until the finish. Potential to earn more money with you, especially if you concentrate on when you copy the link of this category. Live streamed videos of this nature, watching streaming videos, you might tens of millions of clicks and you'll be earning a lot of money. Now available as a part of the special, I've promised you a bonus, and I want to share with you this free work we did for you, a model that you can utilize to produce significantly more money than others, so that you can simply copy this template, publish this on the Steam forums or on also from the Moot Us forum. You're going to receive a large number of clicks. You're going to use your shortened URL to being very wealthy. So this is only one of the situations where you're going to receive many clicks as follows. I designed this template with you guys in mind. Look, this incredible Minecraft gaming video is incredible and allows you to view the live streamed video. Now this is where you will be going. From 7r6.com, enter your shortened link. Thus simply return to your 7r6 dashboard. And then copy this compressed link there, then paste in our template once more. Right here, all you have to do is click the link, just duplicate everything that has been done for you. Post them into these 2 templates. Websites that require no effort of work, because these specific videos in the gaming category are increasing. They're really popular and they are several trends. Right now, many people feel exactly that way. People can generate a lot of free money. PayPal will pay in 2023 for each and every video that they observe, and if you'd like to earn additional funds, select the video displaying to create freedom on the screen. PayPal payment in 2023 for merely seeing online video. You can join my Telegram group by clicking the link in the description below. Feel free to click on the subscription button now and also click on the notification bell. Bye for now.